In this video, we're going to be learning how to make an estimated tax payment with the IRS site. So first, we log into the IRS site. Use your ID.me account to do that. I'm finishing the process here. Okay, here's the dashboard. What you want to do is click on Make Payments. And it's a four-step process. First, payment method. So we're going to pay by bank account. Next thing we're going to select is what type of payment you'll be making. This will be an estimated tax payment. So I'll click that option. Once you click that, you'll see that it'll prompt you to choose the year and then the payment amount as well as a payment date. So I'll take care of that right now. Okay, so now I'm going to be finishing up the payment date here. Choose that and hit next. In the next screen, we're going to see payment details. So it's going to be what type of type of account. It's going to be bank account, and then checking or savings, and then along with the corresponding numbers. We're talking about routing numbers along with account numbers. Enter those. I'm choosing the email confirmations, and then I'll hit next. Once that's taken care of, we have the summary page here, schedule date. We just gotta agree to the terms of service and hit submit. Next page, right here, you got your information for the payment that was submitted. Confirmation number, date it was submitted, as well as the amounts. And that's it.